Hi everyone, welcome. Today we just build and live a token security bot that will help you to analyze any token before buying it. This bot supports almost 7 blockchains: Solana, BSC, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, and Arbitrum. How we can use this bot? And this is a Telegram bot, anti-rug scanner. We will start this bot and select our network. Let me take this token contract address, and down we can see have many issues like a hidden owner and has suspicious function. This can, I think, mint any tokens and also can change the balance of the users and have external call like calling smart contracts and changing the functionality from other contract. I copy this contract address and I will check here. This is the Arbitrum chain. Okay, I will click on the Arbitrum and simply paste here address and check it. So here you can see the all details of the token like name, symbol, chain, contract address, how much supply holders, and the taxes, honeypot no, whitelisted, blacklisted, mintable, yes, open source, yes, and we can see here owner change the balance, yes, and also we can see here external call risk. So this bot will analyze any token with deeply and with detail. So you can test any token before buying it or investing it. Let me check for the Solana. If I come here for the Solana and I will click here on this token and get the contract address, let me audit here. Mintable no, freezable no. Okay, let's check this. I will click here on the Solana and send the address. Okay, this is the attention markets, supply holder, mintable no, freezable no. As we can see, default account frozen, yes, new holder start frozen. So this is the warning, not sure, because mostly people doing rug pull, and when a new user buy token, they will automatically put in a token account in the freezing for a time period, and then they will uh, the token account later, like a time period. So we also have about like a Solana volume bot. If someone boost on token trading volume, so they can buy here membership and they can run a bot on token, so they will uh, buy and automatically sell your token to increase the trading volume. And our this bot, it's not detectable here, means you cannot see here like a bot buying, so it's anti-bot.